version 2.727, and it fixes some major problems people have been having on both iOS and Android. If you've been getting errors, crashes, or certificate issues lately, this update is why. Here's how to get it right now and what actually changed. Part 1. What changed in v2.727? Here's what's new in this update, because it's not just a small patch. First, faster script execution. The team rewrote the memory synchronization layer, which means scripts inject noticeably faster than before, especially on mid-range Android devices. Second, iOS 17 Plus support is improved. If you've been getting certificate errors or side-loading failures on iPhone 15 or newer, this update specifically fixes those issues. Direct install also runs smoother on newer iOS models. Third, anti-crash protection. Heavy scripts like Blocks Fruits Auto Farm were causing game sessions to crash. That's been fixed with a new anti-crash system built into this version. Fourth, Hyperion bypass updated. Roblox updated its anti-cheat, and this version keeps Delta undetected. Part 2. How to update on Android. Getting the update on Android is straightforward. Step 1. Go to deltaexecutor.com. You'll see the latest version listed as v2.727. Step 2. Tap the Android button and download the new APK. Step 3. Before installing, uninstall your old version of Delta first. This prevents conflicts between the old and new version that can cause injection errors. Step 4. Enable unknown sources if prompted. Settings, Security, Install unknown apps, then install the new APK. Step 5. Open Delta, join a Roblox game, and test the new faster injection. You'll notice the difference immediately. Part 3. How to update on iOS. iOS update process is slightly different, especially if you're on direct install. Step 1. If you used direct install previously, go to Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management, find the old Delta profile, and delete it first. Step 2. Go to deltaexecutor.com on Safari and tap Direct Install again. This installs the new v2.727 profile fresh. Step 3. Go back to Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management, find the new Delta entry, and tap Trust. Step 4. Open Delta and confirm you're on the new version. It should show v2.727 in the app. If you're using eSign or Scarlet, delete the old Delta IPA from your Signer app. Download the new IPA from deltaexecutor.com and re-sign and install it the same way you did originally. The new version fixes the iOS 17 certificate errors, so if you were getting integrity failures before, they should be gone now. Part 4. Quick Key Bypass Reminder. After updating, you'll still need to go through the key system on first launch unless you have premium. Fastest way to skip it, tap Receive Key, copy the URL from your browser address bar, paste it into keybypass.net, complete the CAPTCHA, get your key in seconds. Full key bypass tutorial is linked in the series playlist if you need the detailed walkthrough. That's the full Delta Executor v2.727 update for July 2026. Faster injection, iOS 17 fixes, anti-crash protection, and updated Hyperion bypass. Get it from deltaexecutor.com, uninstall your old version first, and you're good to go. Drop a comment if the update fixed your issue or if you're still hitting errors. I'll reply. Subscribe for more Delta updates as they drop.